Okay, we are given that f of x is equal to 7 over x. And we need to find what f of x plus h is. That means that everywhere there's an x in the original f of x, we replace that with x plus h. So it becomes 7 over x plus h. Now we want to plug that in to this and simplify. So we're going to have 7 over x plus h minus 7 over x, and that whole thing is over h. So we have a complex fraction here. What we want to do first is combine the numerator so that it's only a single fraction, not subtracting two different fractions. So to do that, I'm going to multiply this first one by the denominator of the other fraction, and I'm going to multiply the second one by the denominator of the first. So when I simplify, I'll have the 7 times x and when you multiply, make sure that you include not just 7 but minus 7 times x times h. So that will give me a minus 7x minus 7h, and that's over the common denominator x times x plus h, which is what you get when you smush those denominators together. And that's still all over h. Now, if you combine like terms, 7x minus 7x cancels out, and you have a negative 7h over x times x plus h over h. So if I rewrite this, I'll have 7h over x times x plus h divided by h, because it's this top divided by the bottom. And in fraction division, we know that we keep the first and multiply by the reciprocal. That lets my h cancel, and I get a negative 7 over x times x plus h. And that is what's simplified for you. As you can see, is the answer here. And then if you proceed to put the x and h values into the simplified version, you can get the answers without having to go through all of the other stuff. So to get that common denominator, just simply multiply the other fraction by the opposite denominator. Hope that's helpful.